Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Robinhood Wallet. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you can just go to the Robinhood crypto and then it will take you to the Robinhood crypto page. And simply we need just to get started. And then they can take us to start the process of creating the account. So basically, first, make sure that you are eligible to start trading crypto in your country, etc. with Robinhood. And after that, you will be able also to have your crypto wallet either by going through the process or we can simply go to the Play Store or App Store and you can have this application. So basically in the Robinhood wallet, you will be able to store your Robinhood trades or crypto trades in the wallet. So basically it will be something like that. And from there, you can find all your crypto and you can start transferring from Robinhood to other places, etc. So after that, you will need just to go to your app, for example, here in the wallet, and then you will need just to click on Get Started. By clicking on Get Started, you will be able to start the process of creating your account or your wallet. So you will need just to follow the instructions, and basically you will be able to have your wallet that will be set, and from there you will be able to start uh, buying or trading crypto from your wallet. So as you can see, Robinhood offers good costs for your cryptos, etc. You can learn more about some specifics or some advantages of the Robinhood wallet. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.